Welcome to a delectable journey through the world of soups and sancochos. Delicious elixirs that nourish the body and soul. Today we explore 12 mouthwatering recipes with a special star, the savory Colombian Ajiaco. From Bangkok's bustling streets to Parisian cafes, we'll uncover the secrets behind these classics. So grab your aprons, sharpen your knives, and let's get cooking.
Listen, you want to talk about flavor? Then get this on your stove. Tom Yum Goong is a symphony of sensations, a wake-up call for your palate. Plump prawns and juicy mushrooms dive in, their flavors blooming. A splash of fish sauce, a squeeze of lime, and you've got a taste of Thailand.
Pho is more than just a soup. It's a way of life in Vietnam. Imagine a steaming bowl of fragrant broth, simmered for hours with star anise and cinnamon, caressing tender rice noodles and your choice of beef or chicken. Fresh herbs, mint, cilantro, basil, add a burst of freshness, while a squeeze of lime awakens the flavors. One slurp and you'll understand why this soup has captured hearts worldwide.
Ramen, my friends, is not your average instant noodle. Hours of simmering pork bones or mushrooms create a rich, umami-laden broth. Then come the noodles, perfectly cooked and begging to be slurped. Slices of tender chashu pork, marinated eggs with a gooey yolk, a sprinkle of green onions, each element plays a vital role. Borscht is like a warm hug on a cold day. This vibrant beet-based soup is a staple in Eastern Europe. Earthy beets, sweet carrots, and ripe tomatoes blend harmoniously, creating a comforting and invigorating soup. Serve it hot with a dollop of sour cream, or enjoy it cold for a refreshing twist.
Minestrone is like a walk through an Italian garden. Imagine a colorful medley of fresh vegetables, plump beans, and pasta, all swimming in a light, flavorful broth. It's a celebration of simplicity, letting the ingredients speak for themselves. A drizzle of high-quality olive oil and a grating of Parmesan cheese finish this rustic masterpiece.
French onion soup, or as I like to call it, liquid gold. Onions, slowly caramelized until sweet and rich, form the base of this iconic soup. Add a splash of dry sherry for depth, a generous glug of beef broth for savoriness, and you're on your way to culinary heaven. Top it off with a crusty baguette and melted Gruyere cheese, and be transported to a Parisian bistro.
Gazpacho is summer's answer to a hot day. This chilled Spanish soup blends ripe tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers into a refreshing delight. Garlic, olive oil, and sherry vinegar elevate the flavors. It's the perfect light lunch or starter, guaranteed to cool you down. Laksa is not for the faint of heart. This Southeast Asian soup is a riot of flavors and textures. Imagine a rich, creamy coconut milk broth infused with spices. Think lemongrass, galangal chilies, it's enough to make your head spin. Juicy prawns, firm tofu, and slippery rice noodles add a delightful contrast, making each spoonful an explosion of flavor. It's a sensory adventure in every bite. Chicken Noodle Soup, the ultimate cure for whatever ails you. This American classic is all about warmth, comfort, and simple, wholesome flavors. Tender chicken, vegetables, and noodles in a savory broth create a nourishing, delicious soup. It's the kind of soup that makes you feel like you're home, no matter where you are. Harira is more than just a soup. It's a symbol of togetherness and celebration in Morocco. This hearty soup is traditionally served during Ramadan, breaking the fast with its nourishing blend of lentils, chickpeas, and tomatoes. Spiced with cumin, turmeric, and ginger, each spoonful reflects Morocco's rich culinary heritage. It's a dish that brings people together.
Ajiaco, Colombia's national soup, showcases the country's vibrant culinary heritage. This hearty soup features tender chicken, potatoes, and sweet corn in a creamy, aromatic broth. The addition of guascas, a unique herb, gives ajiaco its distinct Colombian flavor. Topped with avocado, capers, and cream, it's a culinary hug that warms you inside out. Sancocho, oh Sancocho, this, my friends, is what dreams are made of. A hearty, soul-satisfying stew that's a party in a pot. Tender chunks of meat simmered to perfection with root vegetables like yuca, plantains, and corn. The magic happens as the flavors meld together, creating a rich, flavorful broth you'll want to lick the bowl clean. Sancocho is a celebration of life, best shared with loved ones.
Until our next culinary adventure, imagine the steaming bowls of these enticing soups and sancochos inviting you to take a seat. This journey through 12 incredible soups and sancochos showcases their artistry, passion, and cultural significance. Each recipe is a story of generations, celebrations, and home-cooked goodness. Now it's your turn. Roll up your sleeves and join in on the fun. Adapt the recipes to suit your tastes, experiment with spices, or add your special twist. Cooking is all about exploration and creativity. Here are some tips to ensure your soups shine. Quality broth, fresh ingredients, balanced flavors, texture variety, garnishes galore. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful exploration. We hope these recipes inspire you to create joyful moments around your table. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious content. Happy cooking! Before we part ways, let's take a moment to appreciate the rich history of soup across different cultures. Soup, in its many forms, is one of the oldest culinary creations, a testament to humanity's ingenuity and resourcefulness. In ancient China, soup was considered a medicinal remedy, with ingredients like ginseng and goji berries used to promote health and longevity. The Chinese hot pot, a communal meal where diners cook their own ingredients in a simmering broth, is a delightful example of this tradition. Moving to Europe, the French have perfected the art of soup making with their classic bouillabaisse, a fisherman's stew from the Provence region. This dish, rich in seafood and flavored with saffron and herbs, is a culinary masterpiece that tells the story of the Mediterranean coast. In Latin America, pozole holds a special place in Mexican culture. This hominy-based soup, often made with pork and seasoned with chili, garlic, and lime, is traditionally served during celebrations and holidays, symbolizing community and festivity. In West Africa, the spicy and hearty egusi soup, made from melon seeds, leafy greens, and a variety of meats or fish, showcases the region's love for bold flavors and nourishing ingredients. This dish is a staple in many households, bringing families together around the dinner table. Each of these soups, with their unique ingredients and cooking methods, highlights the diversity and creativity of global culinary traditions. They remind us that food is not just sustenance but a bridge to our cultural heritage and a way to connect with others. So, as you embark on your own culinary adventures, remember the rich history behind every bowl. Embrace the stories, the flavors, and the traditions that make each soup special. Until our next journey, happy cooking and bon appetit! Today we're thrilled to introduce a special guest chef who will share their unique soup recipe. Please welcome Chef Maria, a culinary expert renowned for her innovative takes on traditional dishes. Chef Maria. Hello everyone! I'm excited to share with you my signature roasted red pepper and tomato soup. It's a perfect blend of sweet, smoky, and savory flavors, ideal for any occasion. Let's get started. When it comes to nutritious and delicious meals, soups are a top contender. From hearty broths to creamy bisques, soups offer a wide array of health benefits that make them a staple in many diets around the world. First, let's talk about vegetable-based soups. These soups are typically rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For example, a classic minestrone soup is packed with fiber thanks to the beans and vegetables, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Next, bone broth soups are known for their high collagen content, which supports joint health and can improve skin elasticity. These soups are also great for gut health, as they contain amino acids like glutamine that aid in repairing the intestinal lining. Creamy soups, often made with a base of milk or cream, can be a good source of calcium and vitamin D, essential for strong bones and teeth. However, it's important to enjoy these in moderation due to their higher fat content. We also have protein-rich soups like chicken or beef soup, which are excellent for muscle repair and growth. These soups often contain additional vegetables and grains, making them a well-rounded meal. To provide expert insight, we spoke with nutritionist Dr. Emily Foster. Soups are an excellent way to incorporate a variety of nutrients into your diet, she says. They are versatile, can be tailored to specific dietary needs, and are generally easy to digest, which makes them suitable for all ages. So, whether you're looking for a light appetizer or a hearty main course, there's a soup out there that can meet your nutritional needs while delighting your taste buds. Stay tuned for more delicious and nutritious recipes.